Wait, hold up. Yeah.
Oh mein Gott.
Somebody sub.
He's back.
I'm back.
Und jetzt auch täglich.
Exactly. Let me post the announcement real quick.
Aber du redest jetzt full Englisch.
Probably.
Oder?
I'm gonna. Wait, hold up. I'll spare you, okay? I'll go full mute if you want something from me. Just let me know.
Ja, Bro, du kannst Englisch reden. It's like, I don't care.
It's yeah, I know, but like, it's not good for your stream, if you know what I mean.
It's like no one watches me anyways. It's like, let's not kid ourselves.
Oh well. Okay, so my idea for today is to make a custom enchantments, right? Custom enchantments, guys. Custom enchantments. Alright, hold up. Custom enchantments. Right, custom enchantments. So we only need a behavior pack. Do I have like any test? This doesn't even seem to have a resource pack. Okay, anyways. Then let's use the behavior pack. Wait, what? What day of daily stream is today?
46.
46. Okay, guys, it's the 46th day of me daily streaming.
Wait, but now I can carry you if you sleep.
What do you
Actually,
mean
never
if
mind,
I
I'll
sleep?
just stream on Twitch.
Yeah, either that or you can get my YouTube thing. Okay, anyways. Dude, this feels so weird. Anyways, test behavior pack. So first of all, we need to add the dependencies. So, right here, I'm just gonna copy it. I actually couldn't be bothered searching them up. And yeah, I also will clean up today all this shit. So, yeah, LoadDB is fairly updated. Yeah, this shit. So, this should be working. I don't have a... Wait, no, this is a module, this is not a dependency. Hold up. Starting from the bottom. Dependencies. There we go. Okay, finally. So, wait for test pack. Now set up properly. We don't need all of this actually. We'll need script and then main.js. Main.js. Do I have like the Nah, okay, I see. I need to install the packages. npm I at beta or preview? I think it was beta. And maybe we also need UI.
Oh, by the way, did you make any progress with the decompiled thing?
Yeah, it's done, but I still have to learn a lot. Wait, what? Ah. But why is it? I'm not gonna question it. Anyways. Right, so first of all, we'll make a simple enchantment system. So, the base idea of an enchantment symbol is quite simple. So you basically just have a item, and we'll read the lore from the item, and if it's some value, then we'll make this and this happen. So, aloha, hey Pablo. Dot events dot entity. Oh, look at this entity die. I haven't been here for a while. The reason is because GameTest is quite fucked right now. I also like had in mind making a video, but so damage source, yeah. Yeah. Damage source. Wait, is it like a, yeah, damaging entity? Okay, good. Const inf equal to player dot get component inventory dot container. That's actually container const held item to container dot edge type. How was it called? Container. Goofia. Oh, that's why. I guess, ja. Get start.
Minotaurus. Das Ding hat ein Risiko. Wird einfach. Gefühlt auch ein Ding, dass ich ja, actually, ich spiele gerade Risk of Rain. Weil ich davor Rank gespielt habe, aber echt die Ranking-Seite. Ich habe seitdem ich fucking Bronze 3 wieder bin und keinen Bock habe, wieder Bronze 4 zu werden, weil die Scheiße cringe as fuck ist.
Holy shit.
So, here we are.
Ah, right. This is because it's an entity and not a type of player.
Willst du normal spielen? Sure, why not?
What is a slot? Aha.
Haben noch 2 frei. Okay, cool. Ja, ich join gleich. Weil dann kann Dings auch in Ruhe sein Video editen.
Yes, yes.
Rufst du mich dann an, wenn dein Video fertig ist?
Sure, but it will take a while.
Is that your way of telling me fuck you, we're not talking today? I'm joking, I'm joking. Ja, ich mach mit. Ich join euch.
Hold up. How do I use this again? Ah. Got it. So, like this. If player is not the instance of a player, it will not execute the code. So from the held item, we get the lore, like const lore equal to held item dot get lore, and we'll just compare if it's about. So just so you guys know what's happening, this video is about making a custom enchantment system. And yeah. So the first part of the video will just be demonstrating how the base concept works, and the second part of the video will go into that further. So we'll just do if lore 0 dot includes no. What should it include? Well, what kind of thing should we do? Explode. Then we'll just do something. For example, player dot dimension dot create explosion. Location X. Oh wait. Player dot location radius of 1 explosion options are optional source. What do you mean source? Entity or undefined? Why would I need a source of the entity? Maybe because the entity... I mean, it would be too complicated for the video, honestly. So yeah, let's test if the... Oh wait, now we need a function that applies lore to the item. Right? Events dot defaulted. This will just be to enchant the item. It doesn't really do anything right now, but like, I don't know how I should make this video, you know, because there are many ways to do that. Right, so this will basically just put the lore on the item. We'll just we also need the sender player like this. We can let... Wow, I'm live. Thanks. So yeah, we just get this and just held item dot set lore and then explode. So theoretically this should already do something, okay? I'm not saying it should do much, but let's try it out. So, thanks Minecraft. Ooh. Alright, so actually I'm gonna be in my live coding VC, so anyone wants to join? Right, I need a test world. But I think I'm gonna delete most of my worlds today, or yeah, most of my worlds today. Right, experiments. Test. This is like just... Wait, is it already active? No. Oh, I don't have a resource pack. Okay, good. Experiments. Yeah, it should work already. So when you have a sword and hit an enemy with it, it should theoretically explode. You can border with piglins. Wow. So... that did a whole lot of nothing. Yeah. thought so. Oh, we need to set the item back. Beginner mistake. Nah. Container dot. What? Oh. I removed a little too much. What's the hotkey of content lock? Control H. Control H. And got set item. Player selected slot. Hi and welcome to the stream. Player selected slot with the held item. So yeah. This should like. Yep. And now this should explode. Thanks. No problem. Object did not have native handle. I hate the thing with the location, it's so buggy. Get head location? What the hell? Will it say no to function? Yep. So the thing is, those type definitions, right? The beta type definitions are actually preview type definitions. It's so stupid. So it's just head location, even though the types are incorrect. Watch this. That did indeed work. But I... Look at the knockback though. Okay, if you hit a block nothing happens. I thought that... it's because I used the entity herd event. Right? So... Bong. If you haven't figured, this video is about custom enchantments. Right, so should we already try to record that? Or... Is there like something we can, well, optimize? Like this should only be like a concept, and then I will make a deeper version of the system. Those are only the basics, right? I feel like something is off with the explosion, like with the effect. Maybe that's well, not a good idea. So we have location 1 explosion options. Is that like a thing to not make? What does the source property do? What does the source property do? Native type conversion failed. Now I'm quite confused. Well, obviously we don't need to do that, but yes, because we're doing it from the player's head location, right? Obviously. Maybe I should do something that doesn't use a location, because in the next updates a lot of it will change. So is this something where we don't need a location? No, that's not gonna change in the next few updates. Dot. I mean, we could always run a command, right? But like, that's not the point. Like, everything from that like needs a location. When is type definitions beta stable? I mean, sure, but like, is it really my bet for them to, well, label their types wrong? I mean, now it should be correct, right? So if I do dimension dot create explosion. Yeah, play the head location. I mean, it would work, but like, why isn't this a default? You know what I mean? Why isn't this the default? Right. So, right, this location, yeah, it's still a location. So in this version, it's still a location class, yeah, type of location, which is weird. Maybe I'll just make a disclaimer that it might change in the next few updates. I think that's a pretty good idea. So let's try it again. Ah, bro, I didn't. I guess. It's really loud, that's for sure. I think we can go with that. So, what I usually do is I open an editor. This will be like just my script, and then I'll just note down like the steps, you know. Like just the first step would be to, you know, import word, and then the event. Guys, do you think that this is too complicated for like the normal user? I feel like for the video it would be too complicated, so let's not do that. I'm trying to like I'm trying to make it simple, but I don't want to give my viewers any bad habits. If you guys know what I mean. Right, so we can just use that. Nah. Why so? Alright, so this. We don't even need this if I do it like that, right? So, yeah. So, we remove those things here. Oh. Actually? Right, then the container. I think I'll make this a one-liner instead. Like this. I think that's a little bit better for the eye. Right, and the rest is just... Actually, no. Now we changed the imports to... Ah no, we already changed. We already need to update the imports here. And then update the imports here again. It might look confusing on what I'm doing, but it will make a lot of sense. Right, and then we just do this. Actually, I think I can keep the tab spaces. Like I'm going to edit out it anyway, so yeah. Or not the tab spaces, but like where I format the code. I'm gonna edit that out. Right, this, and then just create an explosion. I think we'll do this, and then we'll just like this. Is there anything else at this part, but like I don't want to have any Minecraft noises while I'm doing this, obviously. Wait, where did my... There we go. Right, so we have this, then We just copy this, that, move this. It will make sense, okay? It's just like for me to like just copy and paste it over instead of writing it out. Because let's be honest, who watches a tutorial where you spend half of the time writing out the actual code? I could use the time to explain the stuff. Yeah, and this is for like applying the enchantment. But let's do the first thing, right? Fuck. I just realized that I do half of the stuff on my phone, or not my phone, but rather on my other mobile device. So we'll do the recording, then I'll get my device, then I'll try to connect it to my PC, and then we'll see. Alright, same thing here. I think if we do it without the deconstruction here, we should also don't do it here. Okay. Ah. But let me make it very clear that this is a new section. So we have to before chat, then we'll declare the player. Let's say it's a container, or actually we can just copy it over actually. Right. But you see, there's one problem, because I have no idea how I would connect the device to my PC, so you guys can see it. I'll find a solution, okay, but like... but sure, let's try to actually code this. So, I'm gonna hit the recording. Yeah, I will just mute the audio afterwards, because I really don't need any audio, but like... So... this is where I will say like, let's get started, and the first thing we'll do is like import world, right? And then we'll use the entity herd event, and subscribe to that, blah blah blah. Then we'll retrieve the player from that event. Damage source, damaging entity. Right? Oh wait, did I? Yeah, I did. I think I'll use semicolons. Right, then we'll just, if it's not a player, then I think we should be importing it for, oh actually we can import it later. This. And then we'll get the player's container. Right there. Say that it is a container. Like this. Update our imports. Right. Then we'll get the held item from the player selected slot property. Then we'll get the lore of the item. I forgot to use semicolons, but no one will notice, right? What is next video? The next video is gonna be about custom enchantments. Right. Lore, if it didn't includes explode. And then we'll just create an explosion of the player's head location. But guys, I want you guys to remember me that this will change eventually. So yeah, we have to like do something about that. Like, I have to make like a disclaimer that in the newest version this won't work anymore how it does. Right. Then we'll declare the player. And quite literally, we could literally just copy this down. Right. And then we'll set the lore for the held item. And then we'll set the lore back because it's only, or not to load the item back because it's only a copy. Great. Ooh, custom enchantments, exactly. And so now we go into the world. And I don't know, what is a good mob? First of all, let's find a good biome. And that biome seems simple enough. Sure, why not? Oh, this is a jungle. That's a little... Oh, yeah, it is. Why not? So, what mob should we use? Chicken. Actually, let's make that wall flying so it doesn't, like, record the jump. Maybe I shouldn't kill a pig. I still get levitated up. The fuck? Also, it should be day. I'm just gonna kill Eddie. Okay, I think that should be enough. Okay. So we have a recording now. Great. I see you're using Settler, but I wonder if it's possible to add the lore for the enchantments while still keeping the already existing lore. Yeah, or, I mean, you can get the lore and just concat another element to the array, or yeah, you can just concat another element to the array. Or do you mean like with vanilla enchantments, like if I do slash enchant, I don't know, sharpness. Okay, what the hell? I don't know if sharpness counts as lore, and you see the problem with lore also is that the attack damage tax is like shifting, but that's a that's a thing for a different video. Like a yeah, okay, so even with custom lore, even with enchantments, the custom one still work. So my idea would be to wait. Let me ask Pablo if he can like find where the JSON UI shit is. Hey. Nice to oh. Ooh. Let me make a picture of him. Aloha. Let me be Picasso once. Hold up. Now let me cook. Okay, I'll see if Pablo like a cat would work, but if modify the customer channel will break completely. I'll go into that into my video on like how to add enchantments, right? Because well, you could just use the find method array.find to like find if an element exists, and if it doesn't, it's gonna concatenate. If not, it's just gonna change the existing one. That's my idea. Yeah, now we'll make the complicated version, right? Before we... So... Yeah, let's make the more complicated version. So my idea was that we'll have a object like const enchants equal something. Actually, how are we supposed to do that? Like, we could just switch the enchantment case, but like... So the easiest way would be to lore dot geht gar nicht. Ah, that's really bad news. Those are not so good news. Okay, sad. Okay, so the simplest way would be to well use for each, or like just a general for const enchant of lore. It will like find and then like like valid enchantments, right? You see, I'm thinking of a very good system here, but I think they would be too complicated for the video. Thinking of making it an object and its value being a function. Well, the key is the enchantment, if you get me. I think that's too complicated. Explode. So we'll just check if enchantment is equal to, if enchantment is present inside the... Oh, enchantment list. I mean, we could also do includes. What is better? Dot includes or using the brackets? Continue. And else we'll do what? I mean, oh my god, I really want to make this. Like, just this is like what I want to do, right? Like a function with like event. Well, with like a custom callback system, if you guys know what I mean. So then we would have to do it a little bit different. If enchants list enchant, if that doesn't exist, we'll continue. Else it will call that function with an object. Well, we pass in the player and the item, or the held item as item. Like this. You could make this a very complex system. Yep. But I think it's fine the way I did it right now. Like event dot player dot dimension. The type definitions are missing there, which is not quite good. But I think it's because of, or not. I think because I know that it's because of an object, because of this object. I would do the doc for it, this one, but I don't know how I can say that an object is like, because an object is not I can't say what the object contains for keys, right? Or can I? JS doc object with known keys. Is that a thing? That's a thing. I think I'm thinking too complicated. I can use add property. Jesus, but this also would be a very bad idea. And maybe we could make like an event listener type of system where we have like a function where we can listen for an enchantment. Isn't there an event object? That's a custom one. This is the first parameter that's being passed in Nintendo. It's being passed in what this?
Hiding cell.
Oh, hello. Welcome. I'm streaming right now, so yeah. Isn't there an event object? Oh yeah, I guess I could pass in the whole event object for this. Although I'm not really sure if we need all that. And then we could just say that the object is a how's it called? An entity or an event.
Okay.
Hello.
Can you ban?
Why would I ban someone? I know you've been trying to get me someone banned, but like, what is the reason? Why are you trying to get me her banned? What did she do? Agreed.
NSFW.
Well, was someone harmed doing that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stream,
Stream.
share your screen, and show some XXX stuff.
Because someone shared some XXX stuff for like from the screen share.
Yeah.
Was it like bad or illegal, or was it just
Illegal. Disgusting.
okay? Do you have any proof for that?
Yeah, wait. First thing.
I'm not gonna show it on stream, well, of course, but. What the fuck? Okay. You guys been having some fun time.
Yeah.
What the hell? What the actual fuck? How long is this? Great explosion. Mm. This is getting too complicated. I'm not really sure if I want to do this. This seems a little bit off. Wait, hold up, let me... I like the idea of having like a custom system for that, but I think it's way too inefficient. Or is it? Is there like some easy system where we could like use this?
You see these?
Hmm. Yeah, I see it. Constant chance. Oh, what the fuck? My phone. Put back. What the actual fuck? My phone just rang. Well, like not doing, but it's way too much of a simple tutorial. Yes, exactly. Like I could make like a class, right? Class enchants and hold up, yeah, enchant or custom enchant. Like this, right? Add enchantment, enchant name, and then just the... You also sent me this file. I'm scared. Can you tell me what... I will not download a fucking exe file. Or if I do, then I will, then I would. Actually, it might be good practice for me to decompile it. But I'm not gonna risk it to do it right now. I'm gonna make it like a virtual machine. Call back. And then... He said it's RPKG. Well, I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. So, we can make a enchantment. So add enchant. Listener maybe? So what this will basically do is, well, basically just this. But no, wait, I have a better idea. I think. LMAO. I really don't understand what it is. List equal, right? Yes. And we just list dot. Ah. We'll just push. Wallpaper engine extractor. Why would I need that? Yeah, I see, but like, I don't know what that is. Wait, I can just do static. List dot find. What is this? I don't know what this is. I really don't know. I don't even use wallpaper engine. It has no package, so I don't know where the exe comes even from. You're actually doing custom enchantments. Wait, I think in the December if you have two add-ons that
I'm
you
so
can custom
confused.
I don't know what it is.
I'm so confused, man.
I'm
Yeah.
same. I don't know what it is.
I don't know. My computer got hacked.
What? I mean, actually doing the custom enchants? Yeah, it's just. How do we like separate levels and the actual enchantment? Like, const name equals something.
Are you live on YouTube?
Huh?
Are you live on YouTube?
I don't have a job. I'm 16.
I mean, are you live?
Yes, I am live right now. On my
Where?
YouTube, yeah.
Ah, wait.
Alright, so how do we split it? Like, number from the enchantment name. Yes, we could split at space, but the thing is that there are or there will be enchantments with a space in them, I'd assume. So what you would have to do is to split at a number. Like enchantments dot split. Can I use regex? No, no, split. I can split at regex, right? So if I split it, I don't know how regex fucking works. 0 to 9. Oh no, but this will split for every like level. This will like not separate the level from. Oh, it will. It will. We can do a limit. Aim length 1. I think this idea is better. So what this will do, well, it will only split like at the very first number, so you can have things with space in them. That's my idea. So we have the name and then no wait, this is like right const name is equal to array 0 and this will be const level would be array 1. Then we'll just compare it to the name. And yeah. Well, what are we gonna do with the level? If you had what if you had Roman numerals? Oh my god. I mean, this system, yeah, you're right, this system only works for numbers. So what we would have to do is find something that like starts with the name and then slice the element off. So we'll still need to find for the name, but so we have an enchant. This is like the enchantment name with like the thing, and we'll just find where x dot the enchantment name. No, where enchant dot starts with x dot name, and then we'll split at that. What is this? Custom enchantments. Or like we're trying to make custom enchantments. So we just eng.callback event and the level, I think. Level. I did the easy part, but like now comes the hard part. So we have a name and a callback, so we'll push the event and the level, which is undefined, which would be const level. It would be the number or the parse int. Can parse int parse spaces? Can parse int parse spaces? parsant, like if the string had a space. Oh wait. Yes. And multiple too. So parsant would work. So we parse the enchant dot substring. No wait, we from enchant dot name dot length. Jesus, this is hard. I mean, it's not hard, it's just hard to make it clean but good, you know? I don't want to make it too complicated, if you guys know what I mean. I just knocked something off. Great. So, for example, how this would theoretically work, right? How did I call the enchantment? Explode. Where? I hate my keyboard for that. I need a new keyboard.
This changer.
Hmm? And then we have the herd event. And the enchantment level.
Changer.
Add... Maybe not enchant this, more like hit listener.
Using voice changer.
I seem voice changer?
Yeah.
Why?
Your voice is different in Discord.
My voice is deeper in Discord, yeah, because I'm recording on, like, Discord compresses the audio, like, the thing in the stream is, I think, a little bit higher quality, if I had to assume, because Discord is compressing it, or maybe it's because I have 70 ping, but, or maybe it's because the bitrate, wait, let me increase the bitrate. Yeah,
So
like
different.
deeper.
So different. Worse on YouTube and Discord.
I sound deeper than on YouTube.
Yeah. Look
Well,
like another person.
well, I'm not. I know it sounds very different in like a video or something, but that's just how it is. Maybe because I'm like not recording anything or something. I'm just saying whatever comes to my mind first. What? Ah, okay. Hold up now. Wanna add type definitions for that? No, this will get complicated. Oh no. Okay, so this is an array with where am I bigger and smaller than? See, I always have to copy them from another one who once sent me them. Oh my god, that was a while back. So this one and this one. This contains an object with object with... Wait, how did I define properties for an object again? object. JS doc. I see. We can just do we have an array of an object. Okay, we have an array of an object containing an entity herd event, and no, this doesn't work. Hello, by the way.
Hello.
Welcome back. Wait, but this isn't even the thing, right? Yeah, it will now say that it's an entity heard of it. That's not even true. We aren't supposed to put it here. That's just like just the array that. It's the second callback that we need to. Dude, what is happening in your background? Right, so we have a method where the first parem's gonna be a string. Dude, what is happening in your background? Right. So okay. We have enchantment name. Then the second one will be now this one would be the complicated shit. Wait, I deleted it. Give me that back. Like, what the hell? At parem. Hear me out, put whatever you want and type this because it's a current code will still run. I know, and I'm gonna say that, but like it's for convenience. The second one will be a function. I really just need those. Let me put them here. Huh? Okay. Second one is just a function that will can just do it's a function, but the first parameter of it is the entity. Hold up now. Yeah, we can just do. Yeah, I thought so, but I was very unsure because. Yeah, no, that's just fun function, not this function, like the small function, and then just or not. No? Oh, I didn't. Yeah, okay, so this was also any, but what it actually is just a object. No, that's not even true. The first one is a herd event. The second one is just a number, but I don't think that will work like I think it will work. It does perfectly so. A Then why didn't it say so? I know that works. So wait. Oh my god, it's working. So let's just try it out. Level and herd event dot damage source dot merging entity dot ID. This is just a test, okay? Explode 1. Oh. Right. Okay, so hello?
Hey.
Hi. Okay, so the first one is working, the Henry herd event, but the level one is saying nan. Because we'll see. It's like this is like the simplest but also the hardest enchantment handler like ever. What? Didn't I reload? Nope. It just doesn't say that. Cool. Object. Explode. Is the item enchanted? Oh my god, it's yeah, but it's enchanted wrongly. Thanks. Now this should work. Or no, I don't see a reason why it shouldn't work. Never mind. It did work, actually. So we can just do this, right? And now we don't have like any problems. Yep. My god, it's working. So we could also use Roman numerals, right? Let's try 4. That's funny. Oh, I need to enchant it. Man. Oh, because it's not an because it's not an int. Oh no, wait. This is getting out of hand. Man. Oh. No, wait. No, there's no reason why it shouldn't work. Yeah, just make it 4. I guess. But I feel like I could make it very... Indeed. I'll just make it like that. Like it's very easy to implement itself. I just couldn't be bothered for the tutorial.
The enchantment.
What? Huh? Okay. Alright, so this is working. Now let's try to add an explosion.
What's the explosion?
What's what?
What's the explosion?
Explosion? I'm making a
Eh.
custom enchantment system right now, and I want to make an explosion enchantment, and I'm just checking if, you know, it works.
Okay.
It's alright. If we do not have the enchantment, it will do nothing, right? Obviously. Yeah. Hmm. I want to make something. Const player to the herd event dot damage source dot damaging entity player dot dimension dot create explosion with player dot head location. It doesn't parse IV. Yeah, I know, but like if it doesn't parse IV, it should have just parsed this, right? Substring this, but it still didn't work. So I don't know, I just gave up. Like this should work. Oh wait, this is even better. What the hell? Oh, because it's Nan, isn't it? Yes. Right, but even if it should be Nan, maybe you cannot. Doesn't fallback work for Nan? Hold up. Huh? I think it's because Nan is an object. If I had to assume. Can I use this instead? Yes. So this one works. Variation modding should add proper enchantment system to the API. Yeah. W opinion. I'll make it better. I don't think that looks better. A custom enchantment support vendor was I wouldn't know how to like make a system to properly implement enchantments. If type conversion failed. Main 40. Level. Ah, look. Would you look at that? Now it's space IV. +1? No, but what if there is no space? Like this maybe? Yes, that works. What the fuck have I done? It was supposed to be a simple tutorial. But instead of created like a whole... Wait, now let's see if it works for multiple enchantments. Like... Strength. A little bit of type safety. I'm not sure if that's how you write write strength, but we'll see. And hello.
Fuck.
That sounds like a... Oh, Frogger, I'm streaming right now. Don't be...
I know. Yeah, I know.
Don't-
Ian is
don't
also
be
streaming and he
yourself.
watches
Oh.
your stream occasionally.
Why? Why?
Wait, did you say it was okay on YouTube?
No, don't get any wrong ideas, okay? I mean... It's more tolerant than on Twitch, but like... No!
Oh, I just saw a funny old.
Okay.
Also, what do you mean don't be myself? I haven't said the word in like weeks.
Good for you!
What? I haven't said it in weeks. I've been nice lately. Don't deny it. You love me. Hey,
What the hell just happened?
you fell in love with me.
Man, I don't think that's what happened. Why is this in ticks? But hey, it's somewhat working.
Yeah, my Wi-Fi recovered.
Hey.
Oh my god, is Darius broken? Hi.
So,
So dude, this will be a long video.
video.
Yep. Okay. What's the color for like enchantments?
Purple?
Purple.
5?
Purple.
No, that's
You know?
maybe blue.
Purple.
Blue, yeah. It's like, it just looks purple, but it's actually
Let's
blue,
see.
you know?
Uh,
Hey, Soul.
lol. Wait, hold up. Yeah, that works somehow. But I gotta sleep tomorrow, I'm waking up early. Oh well, okay. And then have a good night and bye bye. I'll try to
Adios.
stream a bit earlier, but
Bro, what the fuck is he doing?
honestly, I think this system is good. Like for how compact it is, I think it's quite good. Now I gotta turn this monstrosity. Wait, hold up. I gotta turn
That
the
doesn't work, bro.
old pins 7. Then it's just grey, isn't it? Yeah, I mean it's a normal color, but I guess we could try 7. The problem with 7 is that it's really good. It's just grey. Then it's just, yeah. I mean, yeah, it's like the closest that you can get. I guess. I mean, I guess the system is cool, but right. So we gotta turn the old monstrosity into this. Which old monstrosity, you may ask? Well, let's find it. I kind of have to speedrun it. if you know what I
Alright,
mean.
things I get to play League with the boys now. Have a good time coding.
Okay, bye bye. Like this shit. Oh, that was even a bit too far.
Okay. Hey. Hey.
Hold up. No. Really, was it really that far? Fine, then we're just gonna remake it. Hello? Who joined?
What's happening? You
Oh, hey, Blazed! I'm streaming right now, by the way. So yeah,
Hey.
I'm making the enchantment system.
oh, the one guy made the yeah.
Yeah, someone I made. I obviously made my my own version, but I mean you can take a look at it. Hold up, let me send to you. It has to be Blaze approved.
Blaze proof.
Blaze proof. It's not TS, so yeah.
And I'm pretty notorious in the scripting API community to absolutely just destroy
Yeah, shit on everyone's
anyone.
code.
Yeah.
So just tell me your honest opinion and yeah.
Mm. Wait, that's running on.
Location. I think this was like the old code. Okay, so.
Okay. So, Owen hurt.
Yeah. On If you want, I can explain it real quick. But I
What
think
the heck? It actually looks kind of good.
let's go.
I don't know. I think the only thing I would change is replacing that with that.
Yeah, I also wanted to do that, but the fallback operator doesn't detect NaN.
Oh, it doesn't.
No. Like I tried it in the browser.
I'm guessing that's for the port.
Yeah, because well, it will return a number, or if you're using Roman numerals, it will return the Roman numerals. Like this is NaN.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Let's go.
I don't know. If you want this to... Nice. Anyways, if... Yeah, let me how it works. If you want to add more than just hit listener, which you probably do,
Yeah.
it may be better to instead make the class constructor. I don't know, it's using the same string over and over. I don't really like it.
Okay.
Especially if you want other people to use it, I don't think they would like it either. Speaking of other people using, if you plan to like
Like what, you're lagging. You're kind of lagging.
maybe get rid of entity herd event, add your own type in there or something. Or add your own type instead of entity herd event whenever you're making the add hit callback. That is, if you want other people to use it as well.
I mean, this is for a video, right? So, I mean, what I do in the video is like, first of all, I'm like making a very simple concept, and then I'm expanding it to be like this, right? So, so what you would suggest is to, if I'm gonna have multiple listeners, to make it a constructor.
That makes sense.
Yeah, like a constructor, and make a custom type for the, what was it called, the yeah, the herd event.
Callback.
Yeah. Custom type for the callback, yeah.
Alright.
I think it's fine for the video to have
Other than that, yeah.
Man, it's lagging.
Yeah.
Good. So now I need to actually record it. So, this is where we stopped. Should I just start by making the... Hold up. Yeah, sure. So we have... We'll start off by adding the class. Then we'll add the method to it. And then we'll just modify this. to
Yeah. And a suggestion,
Yeah.
add more static methods on custom enchant.
Yeah, definitely. But this is like only for a video. This is like... I will explain the basics and then people are free to modify it. But yeah, I definitely...
At least add like an add and remove enchant.
Sure, but... Oh, fuck, what? Something got stuck between my keyboard. Yeah, I guess I could also make like a second... Yeah, I guess. A second case.
Oh, let's go.
What are too many G's? Alright. Como also fast. Hi Pablo. Come see. Wait, I think I already said that, but welcome.
Hey, you want to know something cool?
What?
After 5 months, actually I think 7 months now actually, I've finally gotten unbanned from Bedrock add-ons.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Also,
I have to
let's look inside.
dial down my criticism a little bit.
Yeah. Look inside Showcase. This is what I found on like the Minecraft code. I don't know how known it was, but like the modules, but I know they. I found them.
Yeah.
Like there's some pretty nice stuff like client transfer. I don't even know what like editor bindings.
Editor.
Editor.
Yeah.
This will be funny. When it like actually releases. But I can tell for sure that it will like never release.
Great.
Right.
Alright, I'm gonna continue reading. I just gotta mute.
Okay. Let's start actually recording. So I'm just gonna copy custom enchantment class. Shit.
Yo,
Yo.
the freak.
Then we'll add a list which will just contain our
What the frick?
enchantments. Then we'll have a static method which will just, you know, name and the callback, and we'll just push this add to the list, the enchantment name, and a function that's being called. So let's make the JS doc. This. And then let's just say that the first parent would be the enchantment name string. Right, we need to import entity herd event. Entity herd event. Like this. I'm just gonna copy it. Oh wait, copy the whole line. Undo a bunch of it and then just paste it like this. And now we'll modify.
I wish I could see what you're doing, but your stream is like minutes behind.
Oh yeah, you know why I have to do that? Because my internet is like giga shit, so I have to stream with a little delay, or like with like
Oh,
30
a
seconds
little.
of latency. Yeah, 30 seconds of latency.
A little in like double quotation marks.
Right, so from the custom enchants list, we'll find the enchantment that starts with the enchantment's name. Okay,
That's weird, huh?
and if there's no enchantment, we're just gonna continue. Hey Pablo.
Who is Pablo?
Oh, he's like a Jason
Yeah,
UI
you're-
guy.
Jason Wan.
Yeah. This
Aloha.
man's a madman. Aloha.
I'm trying to fight the answer to it, but it was. Jordan's also trying to break, but it's just near.
This. I'll have a. This is for like the text of if like an enchantment uses Roman numerals as numbers. Wait, but then this one is not correct because this can be a number or a string. Oops, I messed up my JS docs. Oh, fixed. Actually, let me like re-add those. Like, like this. I'll have to do a lot of editing. But this video is gonna be a banger. Banger.
Banger.
Banger. What the hell am I
He's gonna be the. Oh, I make the best video ideas.
Yeah. I mean, I had custom enchantments planned for a while now, but I never really got to it.
Alright. One another video idea, I can make another one.
Sure. I'm open for more video ideas. Like this. Enchantments, like this. Okay, I think this should. Oh no. I forgot to enter at this line. Nah. Cool. So now let's see the effects in game. I have explode 1.
Boom. New video idea.
Hold up. I'm gonna. Strength 1. Oh. That's cool, thanks. Hold up. Need to enchant my item again. Can I have the code? It will be public when I upload the video. I mean, you could already see it in the stream, but like... Oh fuck, I forgot to import Minecraft effect types. Ah, it's fine. There's a reason why I'm editing. Looking forward for another video. Yeah, I will release one soon. Okay, right, and now if I remove, for example, the explosion one, reload, anything in chat.
Ooh, anti-fluid.
The strength, okay, good. Good, I made the video part. Now, actually, I could divide this up into like 2 parts. Oh, maybe should I not? I don't know. Because the video is already pretty long. Video ideas. Copy paste, like what did custom copy paste comments at chat location determined by with a wooden access certain copy and make it the work of more than 32,000 blocks. Okay. That itself is a good idea, but did you heard of the new feature that will come to Minecraft Bedrock? It will be like a It will be like a editor, like you know MC Edit or like Amulet. It will be like Amulet. This is, by the way, also the modules, right? I posted in Showcase a screenshot of like you can see at Minecraft-server editor, right? That editor is like, well, the editor for the world. It's like Amulet, but like for Bedrock from Microsoft. They're like
It's been such a
officially
while
implementing that.
I've been with you. Doesn't
Oh hi. What?
oh. Remember me?
There's so many people joining the CC.
I just came back. Like college. Don't not blame it on me. Why everyone's tired?
It's
No.
it's basically.
Not me.
I don't know. I mean, actually, I shouldn't be tired too. I slept today after school.
I don't know what. Like a few days ago, I just had the best sleep of my life, and it was like 18 hours.
Good for
Slept
you.
for 18 hours,
18
and for some
hours.
reason, I got no headache.
Wow.
It actually relieved me of a headache.
What do you want me to say? Good for you. I'm kidding.
It's so weird. Whenever I sleep for like 10 or more hours, I get a massive headache. It's so weird.
Wait, now hold up. Now I gotta get my my thingy to edit my video on my tablet. The thing is that I do.
On your tablet?
Yeah, the thing is I do one part on my tablet and one part on my PC. Like it's weird, but like, oh, you guys see it when I get it.
Alright.
Be right back.
I'm not watching the stream because it's like so insanely behind. Need to input something.
Are you streaming right now? Are you?
Access to the.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I'll leave that alone. I'll stop recording them.
Yeah, it's called enumeration. I just. It's weird.
Denzel, what did you use for data values? Denzel, you there? Pablo,
Yes. Hello.
what did you use for data value? Did you use dynamic property? Or scoreboard?
I use a scoreboard database, but it's not really good. You can ask Dingso.
Yeah, that's why, because I'm using scoreboard with dynamic properties. It's not that good. I need a better version. I don't know what Google's using.
What's up?
Yo, Denzel, what do you use for storages?
What do you mean for storages?
Like storaging code or storage values? I use scoreboard.
Oh, you mean like between workloads?
Yeah.
If it's only a small chunk of data, then I use dynamic properties. If it's like bigger, then I don't know.
So you just use dynamic properties. And what about scoreboards?
I don't like it. Like scoreboards got
You don't-
nerfed. Scoreboards got nerfed. Okay, they can only store
no,
200.
no, I haven't. It's good. Don't say that.
Scoreboard's got nerfed.
They can only store like 256 characters in their names. I
What?
Oh, that
But when
completely
that
breaks my
happened-
old database. Oh, that's so sad.
Bruh. So you use dynamic properties?
Yeah.
No, dynamic properties trash.
Yeah, I know that.
I
they're trash,
know.
but like for small chunks of data, you kind of have to.
Yeah, for
But
small
what about-
for small chunks of
what
data,
for
yeah,
big? Because I'm looking for a big.
big data.
And
Yeah, for
I
scaling
can't use
database.
data.
scoreboard
Yeah.
because scoreboard is really weird.
Find a database
Scoreboard
system.
annoys me.
As much as I hate to say, I think Curry's database system is the only good one currently here.
Nah, bro. Don't lie.
As much as I hate to say it,
Don't say he's good. Please don't. He's trash. He doesn't even code most of the stuff. He has programmers to do it.
he is for yeah, I'm one of them.
Mm.
Like
Uh,
like me
doesn't even
developer
code,
for
he like-
Vito.
he only does entities. He only does JSON and barely any JavaScript.
He knows like nothing about JSON.
Bro,
Oh,
Oh no, I talk to him regularly. He does nothing about JSON. He's actually
Nothing?
terrible.
Seriously?
Yes,
I thought he was
he
the
knows
only
some
thing
stuff
he's good at.
obviously, but he's really bad at JSON.
Fuck,
He's actually good at Game Dust,
Except-
though he does steal our code.
Nah, bro. Everyone thinks Smell of Curry is god at JavaScript. He's not.
He's actually is good. He actually is.
No.
I talked to him on the regular. He steals all the code. He's good. Right? You
Okay,
don't.
he's good. He's good, but he's not too good. What
He's
people
not
say.
too good. Not too good. If you go to
If I compare Smell of Curry to Denzel, Denzel definitely wins.
I'm not
No.
sure about that, but
No.
Yes, he does.
I mean,
Yes, he
Curry
does.
wins. Curry wins over Dingsel. I win over Curry. You know what I mean?
you only say that because he uses TS, right?
Killer.
Maybe.
What did he
Listen,
use
look
for?
at this. Look at this. On the dedicated scripting API Discord, Curry is the owner of it, and he doesn't even have the master role. I did.
Oh,
I've got the master role, and he don't.
Does he even manage that server? Like,
Yes, he does actually. He's pretty active in the server. He's not active in the talking server, but he's active in management. Like he makes all the big announcements and stuff like that.
yeah,
What
that's
is
true.
Curry's database system? I look for it.
I believe it also
don't
uses
know.
item lore, like I'm working on, but
Oh yeah, don't you got that or
Can't find.
was it
Curry's
you or was it
database
someone else? I
system.
forgot.
Fuck.
I don't know.
There's
Someone
always-
already.
When I need to store data, I need to always use scoreboard. Because that man property hates
Yeah.
me.
Oh,
And it's annoying to use it.
who knows?
To use dynamic properties. Scoreboard is better, but scoreboard is also now being weird.
nerf to the ground. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe start using
Oh,
NC name tags.
What was the max scoreboard you can have in a world? I'm not
Um,
sure.
Max scoreboard, like fake player name in the scoreboard.
Yeah,
It used to be 32,767.
Yeah,
I think it's got lower now.
yeah,
I'm not
way
sure.
lower.
Yeah, 256.
Yeah, what?
Yep.
256 something. Yeah. And because I need to use fake players a lot of times, and I can't make it anymore because they'll get
The
overloaded.
difference between the bit integers is crazy. Jesus Christ. The 8-bit max integer is 127. The max 16-bit
Smell of
is
Curry's database.
64,000. 65,000.
Let's see what did he use for databases.
He uses item lore. Like it's a
Item lore?
it's a mess. It's a mess.
Yeah, Brett, I can hear it. Item lore. It's gonna be a mess.
Yeah, and if you like, I mean, it always relies on like an entity or like a chest or any kind of container.
See, the
And
thing
if
about
that doesn't exist anymore,
NCEs
then
are
you
I
just-
don't like them. I was thinking about scoreboard or dynamic properties unit in a different way, but I don't have any more options.
I
If
just
you
wish
were
there was a
planning-
good, consistent way to make databases other than dynamic properties.
Look, man, I'm trying to like make my own like modification to like the actual Minecraft game in form like DLL injection and shit, and maybe I can. I'll try to make this one of my priorities.
GUI.js. Hey boss, can you share your screen?
What?
Can you share your screen?
Your code's gonna get
Why?
shit done by Blaze. He's like the master blamer.
Nah, I'm good, buddy. I'm good. I'm good.
Well,
Okay,
that's
that's
But I don't have
problem.
screen share.
No, no, no.
That's
Where's
a
screen
No, no,
share?
no.
Where?
No.
Where's screen share? Where is it? I can't find it. Sorry, man. Can't find screen share.
No. Look at the live coding chat. Look at the live coding. 107 problems found.
Okay, who made it? Smell of Curry's enter cheat.
107.
107 problems found.
100.
Alright, can you share your screen? Oh, I need me to.
Nah, man, it's good. My screen is
He
broken.
will help you in a very interesting way.
My screen is broken. I can't.
Interesting.
Yeah, it's a broken screen. I'm sorry,
Your
man.
screen? So what do you mean a very interesting way? I'm curious.
You like to
I don't have that option
criticize
for
a
some
lot,
reason. I don't
which
have
is
that
not
option.
bad, but
I only have
Mm,
camera and activity. That's the only thing I have.
mm, like, come on.
code.
Smell of curry. Let's see. Anti-fly. Let's see what he does use. Shorts. Community channels. They haven't been active for a while. Yeah,
Oh well,
reason he's posting.
okay guys, apparently I cannot share like my screen or like my tablet screen, right?
Yeah,
But
yeah.
I have an even better idea. I still have a hand cam, guys.
Are you gonna use that?
Yeah. Hello, Hasmike, Khan Gaming. Welcome to stream. So,
Hello.
hello.
And
What the hell is?
It's alright, let me
Hello.
Oh, I'm turn this guy down.
try to
oh
not
god.
leak
Hey,
myself.
Gang shall I send you a link of
Well, you're
Hello?
you're kinda lagging. Hello?
We can hear you, buddy.
Yep, we definitely can hear you. Alright. Camera gaming.
Protection. Anti-nickel, anti-spam, anti-movement. Anti-movement, let's see that. What's
It's like
anti-movement?
not leak myself.
spent.
What did you use for
Like-
roles? Did you use the entity?
Just for what?
I was
Remember, Smell of Curry role system?
Roll? Like,
His
made
roles.
snake clothes in school. It took me one day.
Alright, I think you showed me that
Um,
one time. Man, the camera is gonna fall down if I do it like this. Yeah, no, this is definitely going to fall. What the fuck was that? Don't tell me I was the only one who heard that.
You was the only one because the guy at the party turned him really dumb.
What the hell?
My guy, calm down. Calm down. Don't breathe in your mic. My guy's breathing in his mic. Don't live in your mic. Teleport should be
No,
flag.
Don't
Look
think
for
this
blood.
is gonna hold, guys. Where can I make it so it like
Did you use
holds?
classes? Oh, you use classes. Oh.
He's a classes type of guy.
Yeah, let's see that.
Well, from who is that?
Smell of Curry loves classes, I think.
Sub and tie and buy and.
Mm.
Alright, there we go.
Oh my god! It's a camera. Sup?
Ooh, I want to
Oh, this is my setup, guys. Sup?
You're not streaming.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he's not
everything.
fair.
But like, I don't know where to set it up because fucking hell. Oh my god, the reflection is so big. Look at this
You're not gonna make any
reflection.
more anti-cheat
Holy fucking
videos?
shit.
Just so you're not gonna make any more anti-cheat videos?
I don't think
A lot.
so. Like, Microsoft patched like CBE and shit, so I don't know.
yeah, they patched lots of things, but there are some stuff like anti-phase, what do you know, people still need to make,
I did.
and movement speed. Anti-phase is easy.
Okay, man, I fucking heard that. Dude, what the
What is
what
this?
the
What
fuck?
is this, man? What
I
the
wish
hell
I
is
knew.
this?
I
Is he
wish I
whispering?
fucking
And he's
knew.
gone. And he's gone.
Yeah, I disconnected him. Holy shit. Wait, how
Okay.
Okay. Do we have
Can
a
you tell me
bot?
how to use your
that
bot?
can-
How do I use your bot? I
Yeah.
have no clue.
my bot?
Yeah. What is this bot? Where's the code?
Yeah.
Is it open source?
Is it an open source
I,
code?
I didn't push it, but yeah.
So there's a GitHub for it. There's a repository.
There is, but I didn't push it, like it's not up to date.
Can you make
You're
it
not.
up to
You
date?
don't show your repository, which is very.
How do you
sad.
use this bot? Do you do deep?
Just
First you do
paste the
debug
code, just
and the
paste the code, just paste the code.
So your name is this guy,
Okay,
and
I'll
you
make.
do have a GitHub. You've linked it,
I
but
Let
you
me
don't
just get a
show
random
it.
code from my anti-cheat.
my GitHub
I'll
isn't
paste this.
important.
This is a random code from me.
Okay.
I have no clue what this code is.
Your GitHub isn't important.
Yeah. It,
Oh,
it
just
doesn't
because
have
the
shit
config.
on it.
Okay, yeah, there you go.
Yeah, see, it reacted with an emoji, and you can just, well, add a reaction to the reaction.
The guy is back.
Oh,
Hi.
What happened?
Did you know what
What do you
happened? You.
What do you think happened?
world is not defined.
If
Okay,
message
now-
starts with config.prefix, yeah, world is not defined. Config is not defined.
Now that
World is
not
not defined again. Player manager. Oh, you have player manager? Ooh, can I see that? Yo, show player manager.
me.
Yes.
Yes.
Nah, I'm good. Why? You guys
Yeah,
want to see
yeah.
my code?
Well, 107 problems. You think I don't want to see your code?
Nah.
It's still there, by the way. 107 problems, still there.
100.
Yeah, I don't know
It's
what
probably
to do.
because of, how is
Oh,
it called,
yeah.
Blockception, that it, like, you know.
Hey, what? Oh, I just realized me and the boss have so many mutual friends. Wow,
We
yeah.
do.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I'm friends with Triple. Triple does
Oh,
not
you're
like
friends
me. I'm
with
friends with
Triple?
friends.
Yeah, he doesn't like you, I know.
Why?
I
I've
showed him
done-
my API once. I showed him my API, and he's like, "Oh, this thing sucks," and he left the VC, and he's gone. Dated me ever since.
Right, he made a roast of you, but
What the hell?
he made such a fun of you.
That's all I
know
really
it.
know.
Yeah, trash. Oh, you know trash? I don't know.
Sorry, I broke my VC. What?
I worked for him for a while, but he.
Hello.
Hello?
Kenzo.
Alright,
Kenzo, you finally added me?
What? I don't know.
Yeah.
I didn't add people because
Yeah, you
of...
did. Finally.
Did I? Good.
Why is he leaving?
Huh?
Man, calm down. Don't keep leaving. You're on God mode.
Okay, hold up, I gotta adjust my chair
Kenzo,
to
can you hear me?
like... I can hear you.
Hello?
Hi. And bye, and hello, and bye, and hello. Okay. Hold up. Now, let's see if my setup works. But I'm quite scared. Because if it doesn't, then... Okay. Let's adjust some values.
It's a crash. Come back. What is
Okay.
shit?
Let's make the lighting like really... Oh no. I don't know, is it like somewhat visible?
Oh my goodness! Finally, my VC's unbroken.
Oh yeah, it looks like Smiley loves classes. Loves them. Oh my god, how many classes are there? Classes. Managers. To do free.
Hmm.
That's a free. Yeah, free is not that hard. It's not that complicated. Ban.
Holy. Look at those
Oh my
stripes.
god. I can still see his classes.
Okay, hold on. Now let me
Why do you
turn-
use TypeScript?
Well,
For
You
type
don't?
definitions. That annoys me, so I don't do it now. Did before, but what do you like? Type definitions?
I love type definition. The thing about TypeScript I
Why?
also like is it's static. Is it's not static. It's native debugging. Due to the fact that it is a statically typed language, it can easily debug things that have to do with types. So it also it adds types, adds interfaces, adds enumerations. Yeah, pretty nice. It makes
Or-
IntelliSense
Yeah.
really cool as well.
yeah.
There's also generics.
Yeah, but he's just converting it to JavaScript, so
Well, yeah, you have to.
you have to. Yeah. Because Minecraft is being stupid, he cannot run
I
more
see.
languages. Okay, so why you cannot run TypeScript in Minecraft when TypeScript and JavaScript is the same thing? Type
It's
definition.
not the same thing.
They're not the same thing. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. So everything in JavaScript will run in TypeScript, but everything in TypeScript will not run in JavaScript. But TypeScript can transpile into JavaScript.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
what he's doing.
It looks like it. That role. What's his role system? What's his database? Vanish, teleport settings, role. Okay, there you go, role.
Hey, boss. Hey, boss. Can you show the player manager now?
Okay, I'm getting lost. Where am I? There I am. I have to find it. I have too many files.
Right now the lighting is like gear shit. What the fuck?
Where's my player manager? There it is. It's just a mess. Are you sure you want to see it? Sure.
I think so.
Want to see
Yeah.
this?
Have you ever used and boss? You do both. You do both. Think of game test. Have either of you used stable game test?
No.
Stable game
No.
test?
That's. I mean,
Yeah.
I don't do shit for stable arcade. This isn't working out. Sadly.
Yeah.
Oh, you have? What have you made with it?
I haven't.
Stable game test is like the. Oh my god, I deleted the wrong scene. Stable game test is like the shit with no features, which is.
Nah, bro, it's
But-
got features. What are you talking about?
Got some features.
You wanna know how many
Yeah.
features it has? Wanna know how many features it has?
Yeah.
So I pushed what am I taking on? I pushed stable game test to its absolute limit.
Oh yeah,
Just
you
leave it.
already showed me that, but I guess I can show it on stream.
Wow.
Yeah, this shit. I'm just letting y'all remind on how he got the location working. How I tore it up. Yeah,
Yeah,
binary
just-
search with armor stance.
Yeah.
Oh, we love
It works. So
It does, but
I'm pretty sure you're in the GitHub too.
oh, what the fuck?
can you like
Yeah.
time this guy out?
Yeah. Can you please? So
I'll
I
give
beg
him a
you.
minute. This is,
And he's gone.
a minute. If I was you, I was gonna do 30 minutes. Yeah. Of course, he's put it. Show me player manager. In a minute. I'm looking at some-
in a minute, right?
No, I made the best
In a
player
bit-
before at Haven once.
in a billion minutes, okay?
And a billion wait,
Yeah. just click for a
minutes
billion
to
minutes.
days. 1, 10, 100,000.
That will take you a while.
what
let's
if-
just say.
That's like 69,100,000 days.
Yeah. See, just days. Just wait for it. I'm done with it. Still-
Bro, it actually is not many days.
Well, that's not too many days, okay?
That's not too many. Okay. Alright. Days to years.
Player join. If global band list is coordination player name, return new band player name.
That's 1,902 years. That is 19 centuries.
Why you could wait that long? You? Kill, okay. Many people did code anti-cheat.
Yep, and many people failed.
Like smell of curries. How many dubs were there?
Great.
Oh,
What
curry?
anti-cheat had he? Like, was it like his I don't know how to pronounce it.
Both of you just broke. What?
Rubido.
Moderator. If
Rubio.
Rubido.
I'm
Yeah,
a contributor
his-
for it.
Ooh.
the
Fancy.
thing about Rubido, why I don't like it, is laggy-ish.
It is pretty laggy.
Because
But it's got
one
so
thing
many
that
features.
no, it's not about the features. I think it's the entity making it lag now.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it looks
Ooh.
like it.
Nice, Pablo. Oh, yeah, Pablo is also Loki manages this Discord server, so yeah, he's like adding a welcome message or like, yeah, welcoming thing right now.
Pablo, you having fun without us?
Yeah.
There it is. Aaron bot. This is. I'm gonna look at the source code later. Game test help.
Ich glaube,
For
wir sollten
some
auch
reason,
mal richtige
before
Regeln.
there were a lot of people asking help. Now there's barely any people asking help here.
I mean, yes, I've become less active, and well, that's a consequence.
That's the consequence when people are not active anymore.
I will become more active though with this new video.
I think it's because
New
of your
video,
bot. Nobody asks for help, everybody just uses the bot.
I mean,
I look inside games as help, I'm thinking like, if I can
Yeah,
help
yeah.
someone, I just see add-on bot, no errors found.
well,
okay.
yes,
Okay.
I will add like TypeScript implementation, so it will actually find errors. But yeah, right now
Okay.
it's not
Scoreboard
doing shit.
players add player. What the hell
I
is
once
this code?
tried to do it, but like
Who made this code?
it's not.
Look. Someone.
You asked
Okay.
who made this code. Wasn't it literally you
Not
who
yours.
made the code?
No, not this. I was looking way up there and look at this. Bruh. Kalora
Er
is
ist doch
using a
gute
scoreboard.
Killer-Script.
No error found. There's no error in that, but it's like, why are you using scoreboard where you can just detect when how
Ich glaube, er sieht das Problem nicht, oder?
clicking? Oh,
Nah. This is
Egal,
made
Dika.
for like an old version, you know?
for an old version, but now you can just detect
Oh,
how
wait, is
fast
it?
the player's clicking. There's one way to detect it.
It's not.
Like if the player is hitting the player too fast, like that. So it's the easiest way to do it.
That's how you wanna detect kill aura? To detect how fast the player hits?
How the fast the player is hitting it.
Ja, auf Bedrock eh scheiße, wegen...
There's more ways to do it, but that's the easiest way. Players can do. And most of the players, they put their killer on max. So easy to get
I
detected.
don't know, bro. I wouldn't consider it. And hello.
And
to
the
see.
second will be if the player who's hitting him, is looking not even at the player, then you can
Well,
detect
but
it.
what about mobile players?
Yeah, they can just.
Okay, why the hell you have a player who's playing on mobile? Go get a PC.
Well,
Well,
I
that's
think
not the
you would
point
need
of
to
Bedrock
get
Edition,
the
you know? If you have a PC,
rotation.
might as well play Java.
For mobile players, yeah, for mobile players, then it gets tricky because they're dog shit.
They're dog shit.
Or hacks or what they use, like Toolbox.
Yeah, I guess.
This thing called Toolbox.
Benutze übrigens
Aber-
deine Item-Database, ne? Ich habe aber ein bisschen was umgeändert.
Gut. Was denn? Das
Die
Item?
Inventory Size und dass
Ja.
das Entity die ganze Zeit die Chunks um sich rumlädt, damit das geladen wird die ganze Zeit.
Macht Sinn.
Macht Sinn.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
I'm still working on it. It's just that with the new update, everything just broke. I'm just waiting for one.
Did it?
Yeah, I'm just waiting. Oh, not everything, but like the location thingy. I'm just waiting for
Yes.
1.19.80 to come out, and
What?
then
What is that?
Then what's
the game
inside
just should be more or less stable. More.
Oh,
Okay,
what's
why?
gonna happen 1.90, 180?
Why?
Because most of the trivial changes, well, will be rolled out, and yeah.
Okay.
So there won't be any more version conflicts. I'd assume. I don't know what they're going
Sorry.
to change further, but
Denzel,
Yeah.
you said 1.90, right?
it's 1.90.
1. Like you said, you're waiting for a new version of Minecraft to come out.
Yeah,
What?
the version 1.19.80.
What's it gonna do with game test?
That
Gonna
all
fix that?
all trivial changes to game test will well
Oh.
be out.
Yeah, that's cool. Let's see. Wait for it.
Yeah.
How long it
Or at
takes
least
them
I
to release
assume.
it.
I don't think that there will be updating like
Have they released like any contact about it? What they're gonna release in 1.90?
Mm.
In that update? Should do it. They're lazy. They're really late.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Dude, it went from Subnautica music to like to like the most crazy shit ever. Oh well. Okay, now let's hear Minecraft music because why not? I'm making progress, just backwards.
Ranger. Yeah.
I wish you guys could see what I'm doing, but I'm literally doing nothing.
I want to see you doing nothing. I'm that bored.
I can't. I
Do it. Do
I
it.
can't make it. No, like I tried to with camera. I tried sharing my screen. It just somehow doesn't work.
Oh, he did use entities, like I thought he did. Ruido database about entities. Like I thought.
Well, why database require entities?
That's a one good way to do it, really.
Didn't you?
You didn't use
No.
diamond properties or scoreboard. That's a one good way to do it. Because
Who? I think.
You think?
Wow.
you think. Oh,
The
although
database
you
isn't
think
the database like dynamic
storing it up.
properties, and if it's
Yeah.
well, if the 1,000 characters for an entity are used up, they create a new one.
Yeah, they just
Yeah,
keep doing that.
that was actually one idea that I came up with for my for another database that I will eventually make. So yeah, like Pablo said, there will be one or multiple entities spawned, and depending on the string length, it will create multiple entities. I'm not quite sure
I
about
swear,
the
the
length.
scripting
So I think
API community has been going insane over database for the past
Yeah.
year now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Because
databases
okay,
were
to be
getting
fair, but
huge.
every single pig always tells him, "Well, you have to use the database." Like,
There's
yes,
one way to
I
do
know
it.
that's the only
If
way to
dynamic
store
property
data.
is full, like if your dynamic property is full, store whatever in that dynamic property into an entity on that entity and reset your dynamic property then.
Nah, I don't know. Seems
But
very
yeah,
But
that's
when
gonna
we
be a
get
really
the
complicated system.
editor, like the what you told me,
Yeah.
what you showed in Showcase, can you like change the NBT of an entity to a.
I am not sure. Has only been like one screenshot, or actually two screenshots with the, yeah, one being like a thumbnail for like the pack, and the other one
Okay.
being like a screenshot of the editor.
Mm.
I'm not really sure what it is. I mean, I can further look into Minecraft's code to see what this editor can do, but like,
Can you show the screenshots?
Let us. Yeah, screen share. Let us have fun.
you guys
too.
won't understand anything, and I'm not really sure if I can show it on stream. But I will screen
Don't say we won't
share it.
understand it. You're not that dumb.
Yeah, but I will share the screen on YouTube, on Discord.
Yeah, but Denzel, you should show everyone when you're active on the server because your name doesn't shows in the list, so people don't know when you're active. Then they can ask
By
you
the way,
questions.
it took me 2 days to like do this.
Digga, ist das Dungeons and Dragons? Ah, ne.
What, no, what Dungeons and
Let's see
Dragons?
Denzel screen sharing. Okay, yeah, quality went really deep.
Took me 2 days
You
to do
using
this.
Heat engine? What is that?
No, it's like the
I can't
big
even read it,
brother.
it's
It's
so
like
blurry.
it's like the big brother of Cheat Engine.
Boah, das ist so hell, Alter.
Oh, like a better
Yeah,
version.
I'm sorry. I should have made a flashbang warning.
Ja.
So
Ist ja auch irgendwie nur 3 Pixel, ne? Der Boost hat jetzt nicht so gebracht.
I hear epilepsy. Oh no, light mode. It's even worse.
that's
Oh my god, I can't see this. This is getting
it only
blurry.
has white
Oh no.
mode, okay?
More blurry.
Like
Okay,
use
let me-
inverted